Hello beautiful souls, welcome. So today's video we're going to make a DIY rose water. Rose water can be expensive and difficult to find. However, it is easy to make at home. Rose water can be used to flavor pastries in cakes, or you can use it in homemade beauty products like toner, mist, etc. Rose water is loaded with antioxidants, anti-aging properties, antibacterial, and it has anti-inflammatory. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And before that, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's start with the DIY. First, you will need a pot, strainer, a small bowl or mason jar, 4 to 5 organic roses, and distilled water. And I'm gonna use 5 roses for this DIY. And as you can see, I started pick all of the petals of the roses. And I'm going to rinse the rose petals to wash off any dirt or bugs. Place the petals in a pot and cover with filtered water. The water should just be covering the petals. Too much water will dilute the rose water. Cover with the lid and turn on the stove on low heat and let simmer for 20 minutes. Once the petals lose their color, strain out the rose petals and let it cool. Once it's cool, you can transfer your rose water into a mason jar or an empty bottle and store it in a fridge. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you all in my next one. Bye.